What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Dell's Corner. I appreciate y'all coming on in. We are finally back here at home, and I cannot wait to be talking about everything that's been going on, everything that we experienced at PAX East, everything that's planned for the future. Please don't forget to check out my Twitch channel where you're going to get all this information, where I'm going to be releasing it along with all my social media that's going to be linked down below. But today is going to be an unboxing, and we're super excited to be talking about this unboxing. You have my fiance here in the back. So what we actually got going on is that we are going to slowly be integrating into an additional business of ours, or we hope to turn into a business. We're actually going to be getting into photography, and I really hope that you guys are going to be excited for us to be going onto this journey. But today we actually picked up our camera. It's actually a Nikon. It's a D5600 18x55 VR kit. We're super excited to be getting this, so I figured, why not do an unboxing? Why not show you what comes in here? It's been highly recommended towards individuals that I've been speaking with, and I said, you know what, I'm going to go buy it. So went to go pick it up. Super excited for it. Super excited to unbox this and get our journey going. But while I am unboxing this real quick, again, we just got back from Boston, Massachusetts. It has been a wild ride, I will say that. Plane ride was about 4 or 5 hours long. First trip over there, and then trip back was about the same. It wasn't too bad. I will say that the weather over there is a different type of cold. I have felt cold, but I have not felt cold like that. It was completely different. That was our running on joke the whole time. It's a different type of cold. So I cannot explain it more than anything else other than that. But again, right out the box, we got some instructions. We got a warranty program here. We got a basically school. I guess it's a school that you can check out online. We also have instruction manuals. So I'm going to be reviewing these here pretty soon. But again, right out the box, you end up getting an extra battery charger. That way you can charge up your battery. Again, Nikon. Good stuff. Let me see if you guys can check that out. MH-24. I've been slowly but surely been getting into videos and self-teaching and so on and so forth. So it's been pretty crazy. This looks like this is going to be our lens. This is definitely our lens. Super excited to be seeing this. I've never unboxed a camera like this before. I'm not going to show you my serial number on it, but I will kind of show you the lens itself. Let's take off the cap. Boom. We are going to be taking care of this baby. We're going to be using this like crazy. That's all I can honestly say. So it comes with the lens. It comes with the strap, so that way it can fit over your head, of course. And then we have the main part of the camera, which is going to be the base of the camera. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, I don't want to get too much into the specs because I'm going to be talking on and ranting on forever. But let's just basically say that the video and the picture quality is going to be somewhat on a more professional basis. I didn't want to start out with something small. I kind of wanted to start out with something decent that was going to be able to give me what I needed. And I'm really excited for this. Again, pictures on this camera are going to be posted up on my Twitter, along with more information on what we're going to be doing photography wise. If anybody's interested, feel free to email me down below, or you can message me on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter. Send me a DM if you want to. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. We're super excited. Again, not going to go too much into details here. Just wanted to get this open, get this going. We also picked up an extra battery and, of course, a memory card. That way we can make sure that we have enough memory on here for when we end up going out. Our next event, other than PAX East that we just ended up coming back on, is going to be Hill Country Comic Con, which is going to be the first week of April. We're going to be going out there. We're going to be seeing what we can do with our camera and see if we can actually maybe do some interviews with some individuals. But until then, thank y'all for coming on in. Thank y'all for checking out this camera and checking out our journey into photography. But until then, love y'all. See you on the next one. Big stuff coming. Follow all the social media. Check it out.